Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we'll do the remaining exercises of lesson number 8 Verbs, Future Tense. I request you all to please take out page number 80 of your English 1 book. Students, in the previous recording, I taught you about future tense and I told you that future tense is used to talk about actions in the future, right? And future tense is divided into four tenses, which are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So we've already learned about simple future tense, right? Simple future tense is used to talk about things we want to do or plan to do in future, and it is formed by writing will plus base form of the main verb. So to make a sentence in simple present tense, simple future tense, we use will plus base form of the main verb. Now today we will learn to make sentences in simple future tense but in negative form. So students, how do we make a sentence into a negative sentence? A sentence can be made into a negative sentence by adding not to it. So if we add not to any sentence, whether it be in any tense, it will be a negative sentence, right? And to make a sentence in the negative form of simple future tense, we will use will not plus verb or will not plus be to show that a state or condition will not exist in future, right? So if you are promising someone that you will not repeat the same in future, then you will add be with will. I will not be doing it, right? Again, you say I'll not be doing it again. So be is used to show a state or condition that will not exist in future. All right, and not is added to make any sentence in negative form. So exercise 2 on page number 80. This is what we are going to do today. We've already done exercise 1 on page number 79 in previous class. So today we'll do exercise 2. Write negative forms with the words given. So the words are already given in the bracket. We have to write it in the negative form. Number 1, it is going to be a small event. I dash many people. So we have to use not invite here, and the sentence has to be made in simple future tense. So we will write will not invite. So in the first blank, will not, I will not invite many people. Okay, so write will not invite in number 1. Number 2, check the answers yourselves. The teacher will not check them. So write will not check in number 2. Number 3, our grandpa passed away last month. So we will not celebrate any festival this year. So write will not celebrate in third one. Number 4, this dress is too big. It dash you, and we have to use not fit. So we'll write it will not fit you. Okay, so write will not in number 4. Number 5, I know the answer, but I dash you. You'll write I will not tell in number 5. I know the answer, but I will not tell you. Number 6, the soil is not fertile, the crops dash well. So we'll write will not grow well in number 6. The soil is not fertile, the crops will not grow well. Okay. Number 7, the swimming pool is not clean. I will not swim here. So will plus not swim here. So this is the sentence. These sentences which we are writing are in simple future tense. Number 8, she does not like fish. She will not eat it. Okay, so will not eat in number 8. Number 9, if he does not help me, I will not help him. Okay, so write will not help in number 9. Number 10, the bus is very slow. We will not reach the airport in time. So write will not reach in number 10. Alright, now exercise 3, ask questions with will. So in this exercise, we will have to use will to frame questions. There is someone at the door, so you open the door. We have to use will and these clues which are given here. So we'll write, will you open the door? Like I have written in this, will you open the door? There is someone at the door, then the question will be, will you open the door? Now number 2, he is going out, so we have to use will here. Will he come back soon? This is what we are going to write here. Will he come back soon in number 2. Number 3, I want to come to your house. So what will you write here? We'll write, will you be at home? Right? Will you be at home in number 3. Number 4, I can't do these sums. And we have to use you help me and will also. So we'll write here, will you help me? Right? Will you help me? Number 5, we are going out. Then we'll write here, will you take me with you? Okay? We'll write, will you take me with you? Now number 6, she plays very well. Then we'll write here, will she win the game? Okay, we'll write, will she win the game? Number 7, he does not study at all. So what will we write here? We'll write, will he pass the exam? Okay, in number 7 we'll write, will he pass the exam? Number 8, I have bought a present for him. Now we'll write, will he like it? And question mark, will he like it? So all the questions which we have written here should end with a question mark. You have to put a question mark in it, and the questions with the star will begin with will. Now exercise 4, complete this conversation with future tense. We have to complete this conversation with future tense. Tara, what are you going to do this weekend? Shiba, we dash a music concert at Ravindra Bharati. So what will we write here? We will go to a music concert at Ravindra Bharati. So write will go to in the first one. Tara, have you got the tickets? Shiba, no, I will get them this afternoon. So write will get here. Tara, oh thank you, I would love to come. Would you like to join us? Tara, oh thank you, I would love to come. Shiba, then I will buy a ticket for you too. So write will buy in this one. Tara, thanks. What time is the concert? Shiba, at 6 o'clock. I will come to pick you up at 5 o'clock. So will come. Tara, okay, I will be ready by 5 o'clock. Okay, so we have completed this exercise. Now exercise 5, read the passage below and answer the questions that follow. Now in this exercise you have to read the passage which is given here. This is about global warming. You have to read it, and the answers are already given in the passage. You just have to find it. Okay, number 1, what is causing all the ice to melt? Then the answer is hidden here. You have to read the passage to write the answer here. I would like to give you this exercise as homework. Okay, so please do it yourself. It is just a simple exercise. You just have to find the answers in the passage which is given there. Alright, we'll begin our next chapter in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.